shift the focus back on metals. That's where the party has been, and we keep coming back to it. Now, one stock in focus that we've been talking about is Hindustan Copper, gaining for 7 straight sessions. And as we speak, it's up about 10.6%. And Hormaz is back here to tell us why that is. Hormaz?
The prices on copper or any other precious metals or base metals, as we were just mentioning a few minutes ago, is showing no signs of abating whatsoever. And Hindustan Copper is being well and truly part of that party as well. 11% higher in today's session as well. So it's the 7th straight day of gains. Remember, last week the stock was up around 22% last week, which was the best week that it had had since February of 2021. And courtesy of today's up move, the market cap of the stock has crossed 50,000 crore rupees, and at these levels of 526, the stock is now trading at levels last seen since March of 2010. So it's a nearly 16-year high for Hindustan Copper in today's session. And the copper prices, as Manisha was also highlighting, in the MCX they are at an upper circuit, and even in the global markets on the LME, the prices had crossed $13,000 a ton as of now. So all of them boding well for Hindustan Copper, and their stock doing well for itself today. Now, even in this 7-day rally that it has had from the closing of the 17th of December till date, the stock is up anywhere between 40 to 45% just these 7 days. And if you look at the shareholding as well, of course, the PSU, the government holds majority stake at 66%, negligible holding on the mutual fund side. FPIs hold around 5%, but no major name mentioned there, which has a 1% or more shareholding. Smaller retail shareholders have around about 14.5% stake. The remaining comes up from the HNIs, the larger retail names. And if you take a look at the LIC stake, as we were mentioning, around about 4.5%. At the start of the 7-day rally, it stood at around about 1,500 crore rupees. Within these 7 days, the value has now increased to almost 2,200 crore rupees. So 700 crores in 7 days, a clean 100 crore profit per day is what LIC has made in this rally on Hindustan Copper. And with this move, the stock has also doubled on a year-to-date basis, and it has had this history over the last 5 years. The stock has doubled every alternate year. It doubled in 2021, fell in 22, was a 150% in 23, then again fell in 2024, and now, courtesy of this up move that you have seen in the month of December, the stock has doubled on a year-to-date basis as well. Of course, goes without saying that the stock has gained on very, very strong volumes in today's session as well. So 10% higher, almost 11% at one point on Hindustan Copper. Market cap crossing 50,000 crore, and now nearing the highest level in almost 16 years. So Hindustan Copper for you there. Take a short break. On the other side, we get talking with Nilesh Shetty of Quantum Advisors.